Hi there, students. A mosaic, and I guess mosaic, both countable and uncountable noun. Okay, the literal and real meaning of a mosaic is a pattern, a picture used making lots of tiny little pieces of coloured stone or coloured glass, to make a picture. The Romans loved making mosaics, and people can still find Roman mosaic floors today. So the idea of mosaic or mosaics is several thousand years old. Yeah, it's an ancient art form, but you can use a mosaic just about anywhere. Now, that in itself is probably not very useful to you, but you can use this word a mosaic talking about something that forms a pattern, consisting of many small different things, many small coloured areas. So the port is actually a mosaic of hundreds of tiny islands. But a mosaic is various different things put together. They this school will teach you a mosaic of different decorative arts. Various different ones. The panel, the instrumentation shows a mosaic of changing numbers. This area of the country is a mosaic of small fields belonging to farmers where they grow different crops, and the different crops come from different countries. So a mosaic, a combination of many different parts forming one thing. So I think British society today is a mosaic of ethnic groups, people coming from many different countries, and this goes to build up what is the modern British population today. This area is a mosaic of different micro ecosystems that all join together. A mosaic, various different things joined together to form something larger. To combine distinct different elements together to make a whole, a combination of diverse elements forming a coherent thing. So I guess Europe nowadays is a cultural mosaic of people from different places. Effectively, we're using this as a simile or a metaphor, a mosaic of different things that are joined together to give an overall thing. So, a mosaic, small pieces of coloured glass, pottery or stone set in concrete or plaster, particularly a Roman mosaic. But then an assembly of different things to make one coherent whole. Various different pieces of different things put together. I guess the English language is a mosaic of words from different countries and different origins. So let's see. Formality, a mosaic. I think I'm going to give it, let's see, the physical mosaic, the thing that you see, a 5 in formality, use anywhere. I think using mosaic as a metaphor, maybe 6 in formality. It's got this nice literary feel to it. But again, you use it everywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Italian, mosaico, from Latin, musivum opus, yeah, probably from Latin museum, yeah, or from ancient Greek museion, which is the place where the muses are worshipped, but a mosaic, a piece of artwork. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A mosaic.